Introducing the full Unica System Plus solution, modular, quick to install, and easy to rearrange no matter the environment. Let's take a closer look. Discover the Desk Unit XS, an innovative and easy to install range, including white or anthracite outlets, USB chargers, AC wireless. Check out the modular, stackable and scalable Desk Unit M that gives you complete freedom in designing your workspace. Made of white or anthracite extruded aluminium and available in several sizes. Look at the deployment of innovation and evolutionary poles and posts, perfect for buildings with electrical installation running in the ceiling. They can be enhanced with accessories such as a table, a coat hanger, and cable exit. Complete your options with floor sockets XS that come in two shapes, round and square, fitting just as well in raised access as in concrete floors. They are equipped with a 180-degree openable lid to facilitate access to the power outlet. The Desk Unit S offers extensive flexibility and mobility. Mounted to a bedside table or any other surface with an integrated rubber-covered clamp, it provides access to power wherever it's needed. Choose a modern and stylish design with brand new workstation coming from 2 to 4 rows. Created for both flush and surface mounted and made for environments where electricity and data distribution takes place in the wall. Complete your options with floor boxes, available in different frame sizes to meet diverse needs. They include upgraded features such as a rubber cable exit, a robust kick-safe lid, and an ergonomic lid grip for easy opening. Suitable for public environments such as office buildings, hotels, or a car dealer. The full Unica System Plus features solutions wherever you need them.